Welcome to WhatGear Reviews, you legendary tech fans. Today, I've got a bit of an exclusive for you guys. I know a bunch of other people already made the video, but I'm here with my version of it. And we have the Realme 8 Pro. I'm not allowed to review it yet, but I can show you it and show you some of the cool design features that it has and show you some samples of how good the camera is on this smartphone. And I just bought myself a new monkey, which I'm going to take a picture of for you guys, so make sure you stick around to the end for that. Anyway, let's get this thing out of the box. I'll show you very quickly what's in here, and then we'll get into some of the design aspects that you guys need to know about. And if it's your first time here, consider subscribing for more smartphone reviews in the future. Anyway, are you ready? Let's go. As Vin Diesel would say, welcome to the family. Super fast charger in the box, that's always good. And yellow accents on the charge cable, also very nice. So here we have it, the Realme 8 Pro. Look at this thing. This is a really bold design here. And the slogan they're actually going for with this phone is Capture Infinity. Now that really refers to the camera modules here, and I want to show you something, and it's this. This is the latest version of the Samsung 108 megapixel sensor. It's the HM2. It's the primary sensor on this smartphone, and this sensor boasts a 12,000 by 9,000 pixel resolution. So judging by this, the camera is going to be pretty epic, and it is a massive sensor as well. And when you have a bigger sensor, it can capture more light. Therefore, this thing should be a beast at nighttime too. And we will be testing that out very shortly. So what we have here is the infinite black finish. And Realme actually sent me the other color over, or the back of it. Here it is. This is the blue variant. Both very, very nice. So when it comes to this finish, it's very unique. Let me just read off the actual literature that they sent over to me. So they've achieved this finish by etching in countless small granules with a ball shape so that it can achieve this matte effect. On the contrary, we enlarge and brighten the small granules, carving micro texture and polyhedral prismatic shapes on the ball-shaped granule by laser carving technology with 3D to improve the third dimensional sense. I have to say, it's quite a unique look, and Realme have always impressed me with the backs of their phones. This one is probably the most bold that I've ever seen. One of the great things about this, I noticed straight away, look at that, no fingerprints at all. That is a really good feature there. The bold slogan, let me know what you think about that. And here's a question for you guys. Would you dare to leap from your current smartphone to a Realme device? Let me know in the comments below. So straight out of the box, this is running on Realme UI 2. And that is on top of Android 11. So you've got all the sort of familiar stuff you will have seen on other devices running on Android 11. But of course, Realme have thrown in a bunch of customization features. So if you go to personalization, you've got tons of stuff that you can customize and play around with, which I'll get into in the full review. And now it's time to test out what this 108 megapixel camera can do. And what better way to kick this little section off than to take a photo of a 108 megapixel sensor. So I'm going to say my official opinions for the review on this, but straight out of the box, my first impressions are, I love how thin this thing is. The weight is just right. The camera module looks pretty awesome and quite unique as well. That bold statement, although it's very bold, I actually really like it. It really differentiates it from a lot of products out there. The finish that they've gone for on the back is really nice, very grippy, and it's not a fingerprint magnet. So that's awesome. And let me know what you guys thought of the camera samples. I will be testing this out against a bunch of other devices. Let me know what you want to see this tested against, and I'll try my best to make that video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So don't be late.